Go.
Hi, today I will explain the sequence of events that must occur for a sarcomere to shorten and return to its original length. I will also explain what happens to muscles after death and how and why the process of contraction is halted, causing the muscles to lock. First, muscle contraction occurs. A nerve impulse triggers the release of acetylcholine at the neuromuscular junction, causing an action potential in the muscle fiber. The action potential travels through the T-tubules, causing the release of calcium ions from the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Calcium binds to troponin, shifting tropomyosin on actin filaments to expose myosin binding sites. Myosin heads attach to actin, forming cross bridges. Myosin heads pivot, pulling actin filaments towards the center of the sarcomere, shortening the muscle. This is called the power stroke. ATP binds to myosin, causing the cross bridge to detach. The myosin head is re-energized and ready for the next cycle. Then, muscle relaxation occurs. Calcium is pumped back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum when the nerve impulse stops. Without calcium, troponin and tropomyosin prevent myosin from binding to actin. The process of rigor mortis. When the heart stops, oxygen and blood stop flowing to the muscles, so they can't make ATP. Without ATP, calcium ions build up inside the muscle cells and bind to troponin, which triggers muscle contraction. Normally, ATP allows myosin to detach from actin after contraction. Without ATP, myosin stays attached to actin, locking the muscle in a contracted state. This leads to muscle stiffness, or rigor mortis, which begins a few hours after death and peaks in about 12 to 24 hours. After 1 to 2 days, the muscle tissue starts to break down and the stiffness goes away.